Once we have a diagram filled in, we can answer questions about the population. How many countries raised wheat and rice? And is a keyword for intersection. The intersection is this football shape between the circles. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Next question, how many raised wheat and rice but not maize? Notice the difference between questions A and B. Both questions ask about wheat and rice, so we'll be looking at the intersection of those two circles. But part B adds the additional phrase, but not maize. That means in part B, we'll only take the part of the intersection that is outside the maize circle. So we would only take this region and say 1. Let's also look at the next two questions together. Question C, how many raised wheat or rice? Question D, how many raised wheat or rice but not maize? These two questions both ask for wheat or rice. Or is a keyword for union. Union is the two circles joined together, adding everything in the snowman shape. For question C, we'll add all 6 of those numbers together. 8 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 27. For part D, we will still use the union, but we stay out of the maize circle and only add the 3 numbers in the outer part of the union. 8 plus 1 plus 6 equals 15. Let's look at the next two questions together. Question E, how many raised wheat? And question F, how many raised only wheat? For part E, we add all the numbers in the wheat circle. 8 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 equals 18. For part F, only refers to just the outermost part of the circle. 8 raised only wheat. Question G, how many raised exactly one of the crops? That would be the countries that raised only wheat, or only maize, or only rice. 8 plus 4 plus 6 equals 18. That was the onesies. Now let's look at the twosies. How many raised exactly 2 of the crops? 8, 4, and 6 are the onesies. The twosies are in between the circles. 7 plus 3 plus 1 equals 11. Last question. How many raised at least one of the crops? At least one refers to any country that raised any of the crops, or any combination of the crops. So that would be anyone, anywhere inside any of the circles. 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals 31.